Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas Day 2. Today we're tackling yet another sewing project. Is it going to take a day? Apparently it's supposed to, but I'm making some modifications so it might take longer. So without further ado, this week, or today, this day, I'm going to make some pajamas. I wonder if I have a picture. They look like this. But I'm gonna do a little Christmas twist and I'm going to try to color block it to be red and green. It's like this really obnoxious red and green. So me and my wife can match. So this is the fabric I got. This is the green. It's cotton. For sure it's cotton this time. I made sure to get cotton. It's a nice cotton. Got some stretch to it. And then the red, this is gonna be the red. I'm not sure how to thread the machine according to two fabric color types, but like the top one half will be green, one half will be red, and then the shorts will be switched. One will be green, one will be red. And then the butt will be flip-flop too. So let's get into it. I already printed out the pattern. I attached it. I cut out the size I need. So now it's time for the daunting task of cutting the pattern out. I'm gonna lay the fabrics facing together, so I only have to cut it once. And yeah. Oh, the fabric, the pattern calls for the front piece to be cut on a fold. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna just add like a 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch of a seam allowance to account for the two different colors of fabrics. So let's jump into it and see how it goes. I am working on the floor. This is the biggest space I have to work with, so I don't know how well this is gonna work, but hopefully it does. So I got the pattern on Etsy. Depending on how I like it, I'll link it down in the description. Hopefully I have enough fabric. I should lay the green on top. This is only the second, well, technically it's the third pattern I've worked with, but as far as garments goes, this is only the second garment I've ever sewn with a pattern. For my next trick, I'm going to line up my pattern pieces according to the instructions. Actually, it's not according to the instructions. The instructions don't tell me how to lay it out, so I'm just making it up. It tells you like, oh, this way with the grain, this way with the stretch. So at least I can do that part. I ordered way too much fabric, but that's okay. I'm really excited to make this. I love Christmas pajamas. I hate shopping for clothes though, so this should be nice. That I don't really have to go shopping for it, because I'm gonna make this shit. The waistband is made out of elastic. I will be using that. I have a feeling that the shorts we're gonna have to fiddle around with a little bit because we're in between sizes on these. So I just went with the bigger size because it's easier to take away than to put back. I'm so excited for Christmas. I'm ready to decorate. And best of all, look, it's Baby Stitch. Hi, Baby Stitch. It's not a toy. What you doing? He's investigating. Huh. Are you investigating? Yeah. Did I move things around? You don't like it? No, we're not playing. No. Have kisses? Have kisses? No? Maybe we'll go to the beach. Do you want to go to the beach today? Yeah. You can go run and play. Get all sandy. You want to get all sandy? You want to play? You want to play with Mama? What? Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have folded the fabric. Because I need a total of 4 of each of the bottoms. Oh well, I'll just do it again. Huh, you gotta go. You gotta go. You're in my way. You're in my way. You're in my way, baby. Can you move? So these are the front and the back bodices. This is where I'm going to add 1-inch seam allowances down the center so I can get that color blocking effect that I had mentioned. But yeah, we're gonna cut it all out now. And then we'll do another front bodice and another back bodice and the cuffs. Okay, we're at the sewing station and I'm going to sew together the tops, the blouse, the bodice. There's the hair on me. Get rid of that. So I gave 1 inch of space or of seam allowance to the front. So we are going to line them up and then do a French seam. So right sides together, 1/2 inch, then flip it, and then do another 1/2 inch. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, let's get to it. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the back. So I messed up. I was supposed to do the wrong sides first and then the right sides. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. And yeah. My bad. I don't know what else to do but just keep on going. Okay, so now we do the right sides together of both the front and the back. And we pin it along the shoulders. Okay, it's a new day. And I'm going to try again. I needed a serger, but I don't have a serger. I mean, I have a serger, but it's on my sister's and I've never used it before. So they say just to zigzag stitch all the seams. So that's what I'm trying to do. Also, this fabric is pissing me off because every time at least like last night, every time I put it underneath the machine to sew, the little, I don't know what that's called, but it likes to go off and do its own thing. It likes to slide. So let's see if it does that shit again. Let's get back to it. To do the neckline for both mine and Nicole's. We'll just match this up, zigzag stitch it, And then we do some more finagling. All right, now I'm going to attempt to connect the collars to the shirts. Do I know what I'm doing? A little bit. But does this fabric give me a little bit of anxiety? Definitely. So now we're just gonna ease the collar along the neckline of the shirt and hope for the best.
Or not, but for Thanksgiving, one of the probably second Thanksgivings or third Thanksgivings I ever had at Josh's mom's house.
So I have my necklines pinned down, both of them. Now I'm going to zigzag stitch all the way around. So I'm going to stitch all along here to tack down the seam, and then we are going to connect the sides together. The neckline is all done on both shirts, so now it's time to do the cuffs. So I'm going to pretend like I know what I'm doing. Is it folded in half? I'm going to press it. According to the instructions, we connect the right sides together of both front and back at the curve. So it's one curve. We're just gonna put everything together and then sew it up. So I have all the shorts here. They are pinned along the curved edge. I'm going to stitch it, and then I'm going to pin the front and the back together at the side seams, and then I'm going to stitch that along with the crotch seam. Giant shorts are made. I'm a large girl. I need large bottoms. So waistband time, stitch it in this, drew the hem on the bottom of the shorts. It, the final product, color blocked matching pajamas. I'll tell you how I really feel. Alright, so I got this pattern on Etsy from Linen Gray Patterns. It's called the Women's Short Lounge Set. That's what it looks like. That's what their version looks like. I cut mine down the middle and did a color blocking. I think that made it a little more complicated. I kept getting whose set was whose mixed up. Instead of just making them exactly the same, I kind of did the opposite, which looking back, I probably just should have made them the same. So when I was going through, it would be like step by step the same thing. So that made it a little confusing. Overall, the instructions were pretty straightforward. Had I known that you needed a serger to do this, I probably wouldn't have gotten this pattern. The instructions also said you could use just a regular zigzag stitch, which is what I did, but I don't like the way the finished product looks. I think it would have looked a lot better with a serger. So I have one, it's just at my sister's. Maybe next I tried it on. I'm a little too self-conscious to actually show you what it looks like. It is really comfortable though. I made sure that when I got the fabric that it was cotton. Cotton's like more breathable. I don't like silk pajamas. Like, they're really cute and everything, but you just get too hot at night. So cotton is. I guess I could have done flannel too. Maybe next time. So yeah, that's the second thing I made from the pattern. That is clothing. I think it turned out okay. So we'll see what I do next time. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.